back to Slate Bites. In this lesson, we're going to enter a new pledge. We'll start by clicking the New Pledge button and entering the pledge amount. Next, we'll select a fund, a type, and a status. Notice the prompt options are different than when entering a received gift. Something important to note about pledge status is that you may configure an option to conditionally display write-off fields. For this example, we will select the status of pledged. The next few sections are the same as the received gift modal, and ultimately will auto-populate on the gift or gifts being entered in fulfillment of this pledge. Under Custom Fields, we now have the option to add pledge installments. By selecting Configure Installments, we see three new fields. The first is the start date for when the installment schedule should begin. We'll leave this blank, and it will default to the date of the pledge we entered earlier. The next field lets us choose the number of installments. We would like this pledge to be paid out over 5 years on an annual basis. So we'll enter 5 for the number of installments and 12 for the number of months between each installment. Upon saving, an installment schedule will be created. Let's open the gift back up to see and adjust the installment schedule. Now I can see the date and amount of each installment. I can reconfigure the installment schedule or override installments to adjust the individual installment amounts and dates. As gifts are applied to the pledge, Slate will automatically handle the distribution of payments and calculate the remaining balance for each installment. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a Slate Bite.